Every ball that settles a World Cup final begins here, pinched, as a roll of raw material. It starts here, with rolls of precision-engineered synthetic material compre, the skin of every match ball. Three distinct layers, each engineered for a different function, will fuse into a single panel. Under controlled heat and pressure, three separate layers become one procling permanently. Each panel must be cut with absolute precision. A fraction of a millimeter determines the finished ball's geometry. The seam channels aren't decorative. They're engineered to control airflow around the ball in flight. From a single laminated sheet pringnet, hundreds of panels, each one identical to the last. Before a single panel is assembled, every graphic on that ball must be applied with surgical accuracy. A water-resistant coating locks the graphic in place and gives the ball its distinctive playing surface. Surface texture is measured to the micron. Grip and water repellence must meet the same standard on every ball. Lamination is where the panel's layers are permanently committed. There is no undoing what happens next. Heat and pressure at precisely the right moment, the difference between a ball that lasts and one that fails. A match ball absorbs thousands of impacts.
The lamination must survive every one of them. Bonded, sealed, and verified to POID. These panels are ready to be shaped into something round.
No machine alive can assemble a match ball. Every panel must be joined by hand.
The first join determines the geometry of everything that follows. There is no adjustment once contact is made. High tenacity thread, INTI stronger than the panel it joins cranes points, locks every seam from the inside out. Hundreds of hands, each responsible for the ball that will carry the weight of the game.
Inside every match ball, a latex bladder holds the pressure that gives the game its bounce. The bladder must sit perfectly centered. Any asymmetry here becomes a flaw the player will feel.
A perfect sphere, within fractions of a millimeter, is what separates a match ball from every other ball.
Fully sealed, fully pressurized tempering, the ball is now recognizably itself. But it isn't finished yet. Every ball that leaves this hall has been tested against the same standard demanded at a World Cup final. A match ball must hold its pressure through 90 minutes of play and clayed, and long after the final whistle. Water, pressure, impact, impehumi. This ball has survived every test the game can throw at it. Tested. Certified. Every ball in this row earned its place. Not one was waved through. A ball built to this standard deserves packaging that protect it all the way to the pitch.
Even deflated, the ball is treated with the same care it will receive on the pitch. From a single ball to a full pallet, the scale of production only becomes visible here. Each pallet holds dozens of balls. Each ball holds months of precision work, and all of it ends at a loading dock door.
One inspector. One manifest. Every ball on every pallet must be accounted for before the doors open fully. Even after deflation and boxing, the bladder must prove it still holds. Every time. The factory threshold, where months of precision work crosses into the world beyond these walls. Before the last ball reaches its destination, the next batch has already begun. Every match ball carries the weight of the hands that made it pronce, long after it leaves the ground.